Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 5 p.m. December 10th, 2020, Thursday. Another IPO day. Just finished with a mentoring session and I'm drained. I'm sorry about the late video here today. Good day overall. Great day overall, actually. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and let's continue to grow the channel. I appreciate that, and it's been good. We've been having some good trading the past few weeks, and let's just hope it continues. I mean, the SPY was pretty much flat, and the NASDAQ made a little move up, and the Dow was down. Doesn't matter if those things are down or up or whatever. It's what your individual stock you're trading is doing for the most part. Now, obviously, if you have a floated market, then you're going to do well with certain stocks, but you've got to find the stocks that are in play. It's just key. I didn't even know about some of these stocks, and someone put them on my radar, and they're the ones that made me the money. We had an IPO today with Airbnb. I tried to trade it. It was stupid. That pretty much cost me, but overall, good day. Let's just get into it. We'll just go on the two trades let's just go over the bad trade first. Airbnb was coming up through this 150 level here. This 5-minute candle, I was trying to take it back through the 150. Touched 150, failed, and then it tried it again. That's when I got in, and it just flushed me down. I lost like $80 on the trade. I only traded with 100 shares because it was moving pretty fast. And within a few seconds, it came back up to 150, and it ran up to 51.41, which, pretty solid move for $150 stock. But that was midday when it came out in the IPO. I knew people would just get slammed by this thing. It would rocket it up. The initial move was 149 or 150 on this move, but it was just, I wasn't ready for it. No big deal. But early this morning, another stock that was in play was this SLS. I tried trading this in the morning here. I have what do you call it on? I think. Yeah, I tried trading it right here through the 9. Actually, coming back up to the 9 level. These are 5-minute candles, but on a 2-minute candle, it came up. And these things kill me every time. Just gets me off to a bad start. And I decided to look away from it. Here it came up to 9, broke through 9, failed. And this was the move through 9, obviously, and it just didn't look back. You look at 9 to 18, 19 or whatever, 1938. So you're talking huge move on SLS. That was the big trader today, up 121%. Just crazy stuff. But the stocks I did trade, we'll start with HCAC, which has been in action in the past few days. Just these huge gap ups from 10. It's now at 22. I got this move here through the 20 level. I was selling shares left and right, and I was in for 500 shares. We got 20 a 22 point mover. Yeah, I sold more earlier, of course, like I always do. I walked with about 275 on this stock. Just a really nice trade going up. And then I actually sold shares up here for new highs, and I held at the end of the day and closed out here at 22. So definitely one of my better trades this week. Just a clean trade. I got in, nailed it, and just rode it up nicely. So you can just kind of see this gradual climb here. And these are the stocks I look for. And this EDIT, which I didn't know anything about. I actually tried to take it to the 60 level here. Where was it? No, I think it was an early play. I never got through the 60 play, so I didn't. But I did take it to the 60 here. Look at this move. It went from 60 to 63.28, just solid. But the problem is I saw some whippiness here, and I dropped my 400 shares, which isn't a ton. I know some of you guys trade much bigger. Some might trade smaller. And I'm going to possibly do a video about that in the future. But, 200 shares I dropped from 400, and I think I only made 237 on a 6, almost 7-point move. I think I got to 67, right? Yeah, 67.27. So a 7-point move. I only made like $200 something. Who knows if it's going to do that? This is just upside. What are you going to do? The volume was super strong today compared to even yesterday. I have a feeling this is going to fall over a little bit tomorrow. Might gap up a little bit in the morning and then kind of roll over. But just this EDIT, who knew? just a great trade. I was really excited about this one. I found it myself, but someone told me about this to put on my radar, and then I kind of found the trade here through 60. It was just super nice. It was just one of those trades where I can keep talking about. I have game tape of it, all that good stuff. So I have 370 on the day. The Airbnb trade was stupid. I did take a small Tesla trade and the SLS trade. Probably would have been, a $600 day potentially. And if I sized up right on edit, it would have been better. But, you can't look back at hindsight and like what could have been. Even Tesla was in play at the end of the day, and a couple other guys that we've traded in the past. So make sure you like the video, share the video, comment the video, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. I will be back at it tomorrow, close out the week. It's a good week, and I like to close strong. I got a little upset yesterday about the sales for the late trading I did yesterday, and then that early trade this morning. But I really got excited about the trades I made today. So, let me know what you guys are doing, what you're trading, if you're staying in it, and if you're small account, big account, just, make the best of it, manage your risk, and hopefully good things will happen. So this is Rich. We'll talk to you tomorrow.